for beginners in this episode of TNA. That's right, tools in action. Let's have some fun watching what happens.
Safety first, people.
Always your eye protection and your hand protection. Trust me, you're gonna thank me later.
This is the Milwaukee M18 cordless 6.5-inch circular saw. Step 1, please take the battery out before you do anything. Step 2, it's got the real nice trigger guard so that you don't turn it on unless you push it. Now, with your battery out, we are able to adjust our height for our cuts. All we gotta do is just move this lever and you can raise the saw off of the shoe and adjust for your cut. Once you adjusted the height that you want, just lock it back into place, make sure it snaps on tight, and you're good to go. Now we're also gonna do the bevel. This is for your angled cuts. Same principle, you actually just move the lever up to the desired bevel angle that you want. Then you make sure that it's pressed and secure once again, and you're ready to cut. Yes, it's that easy to adjust a circular saw. That's all, folks. Please like, share, and subscribe.